Good evening, everyone. Today we have amongst us Ms. Poonam Verma, partner at JSA Delhi office in the disputes practice. Foremostly, I would like to thank ma'am for taking out time to do this interview. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Secondly, we would like to congratulate Ms. Poonam Verma for her recent recognition in BW Legal 40 under 40. Heartiest congratulations to you, ma'am, for it. Ma'am, we would like to start with the interview by knowing about your experience in the legal industry.
Thank you, Ritu, and good evening, everyone. My experience in the legal industry, well, I would like to say that it's been full of learnings, ups and downs, but the most important thing is that with every learning that I've had, I had ensured that I would never ever give a chance to anybody to come back to me with the same comment again. That's a big learning that I've had. And how I have always assessed myself is when I go to sleep every night, I think to myself, am I a better lawyer than I was yesterday? That's a part of my journey, and that's how I'm evolving. That's what I would like to say as a part of my journey. Also, I have had the opportunity and good luck to work in several sectors, most importantly power sector and aviation, and I would like to thank my clients who've given me an opportunity to do my best and demonstrate my capabilities and abilities to serve them better every day.
Indeed, thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, how about we know about how you managed your law school days and how you progressed in the profession as a lawyer?
My college days. College days were fun days. In fact, we were the first batch of Army Institute of Law, and therefore it is very difficult to be first batch of any college. We had no guidance, really speaking. But I would like to thank my faculty members who were extremely cooperative and helpful and guided us through our college, and they taught us whatever they did, and we are where we are. So the entire batch is doing well, and that's what about my college. But what we teach, what we actually learn in college and what we experience in the profession is actually a huge difference. What we read in theory versus practicing law is very different and very challenging. So it's a demanding profession. What you learn in college, you must remember it because that's your foundation. And then while practicing, you learn how you actually implement those things that you learn in your law school.
That's really a valuable piece of advice, ma'am. Moving on to the next question. Your expertise has been in the aviation sector, and you've done some incredible job in the aviation sector. So I would like to ask you, was the journey with the aviation sector a conscious effort, or was it just by chance?
Well, it's a bit of both. Because I was always fascinated with the aviation industry, but since I started working in the infrastructure space, particularly power, so then I developed more interest in the aviation sector, and while working on it, I had the opportunity of working with some very good clients, whether it is on the airport side, whether airlines, foreign airlines, domestic airlines, etc. So all of that has given me great exposure to the aviation industry, and these times are challenging for the aviation industry. We'll have to see how it pans out now going forward, but as we see it today, it's quite difficult. The survival of the industry is actually becoming tough by the day. But I really hope that we are able to overcome this difficult time and get back on our wings.
Indeed, thank you so much. I would just like to ask you one more thing. How has your experience been with Lloyd Law College and its student? You've been quite a constant guide. You've provided your constant guidance to all the students through various sessions. So how would you say that the students of Lloyd Law College are?
Personally speaking, my experience with the students here has been extremely good. The students are intelligent. They are very keen to learn things. They are a little bit of skeptical about their future, but that's normal. It's a human tendency to think that way. and all students at some stage have that feeling. So don't worry about that. Just keep at it. And when I had one of the sessions in the aviation industry with the students, I think the kind of questions that the students were asking was fantastic. It actually demonstrated the application of mind, attention to detail that you all had, and especially Ritum was one of the students there who was very keen on asking questions, particularly in a sector which is so technical. So don't worry, I think there will be better times ahead, and you will be where you want to be. So my advice is stay focused and hold to the outcome, and don't worry what's going to happen next.
Definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am. We thank you for taking out time to do this interview with us. We look forward to your continued support and guidance. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ritum. Thank you all faculty members, all the students.